back to Learn IR Free Online Class. Well, hello, welcome back to IR Free Online Class Learn Python. So, in today's video, we are doing part two. So, Python. So, part two. If you didn't watch part one, please go and watch it. So, in today, we are going to learn about mathematical operations in Python. So, the mathematical operations in Python, it will be it will give you a best result. Before that, in yesterday, let's just recall. Yesterday we learned how to print. See, print. Print. Fine. Like this, yesterday we learned printing. So, in today we are going to learn about mathematical operations in that. So, how to do this. So now, first let us talk about addition in this. So before that, we recalled, if you want a note inside this, you want to just put a slash. Yeah, you want, if you want to get slash, you want to first press on shift and just press on 3. So I am pressing shift 3, so I get a slash. So hi, if you want to type a fun note, hi, hello, and this will not come. This is only your note. See, this is only your note, so it will not be kept there. So see, no not it's only a note for you. So now let's understand about the mathematical operations. First, it is addition. So for using the mathematical operations, first you want to do is you want to search for print, and after searching for print, you want to put bracket, and you want to put a double inverted comma, and now you can add mathematical operations. So let's adding a mathematical operation. So that is 10 plus 10. So see, there the result will be 10 plus 10, and we need to get the result of it. So let's see how to get. Okay, so for that there is no comma need. So just avoid the commas. Now let's run. So the result is 20. See, we printed, we give the question as 10 plus 10, and we give the result as 20. So let's give some difficult questions. 455 int plus 679. So it will print like, it will give result like a calculator. See, 1000, 1134. See, like this you can get results. So next we are going to talk about subtraction in that. So subtraction also like this, like only just change this time. See now, then you want to put this small subtraction sign, so not this bigger sign. So just put the small subtraction sign and just see, you will get the results. It is minus 220. You will get a correct results. So now let's try this question as multiplication. So for doing multiplication, let's do that. Just you want to put the symbol of this. I will tell you the which is the symbol. This symbol, the symbol above the 8. So you want to press shift and 8. So shift 8. So here is a multiplication symbol, and let's run. So it's been multiplied. See, 30894445. So now let's discuss about this second one. This a little difficult one. This is called power. Power means if you want this into 2, means 3800, 30,000, uh, 3 lakh 89, 3 lakh 8,945. You want this this number into 2, so just add one more multiplication sign there. Let's put the cursor, and one more, I will add one more multiplication sign. I added, so the result will be into 2. See, it will be the result in a power. This is called power. So double into this is a big number. Like this, you can get results. So next mathematical operation is the division. So this is floor division, and this is division, and this is modules, and this we can discuss later. Integer and float. This two we can discuss later. So today we are only discussing about modules. So next division. So let's easily just change the sign, and you want to put this sign. See this. So I put that sign, this or sign, and run. The result will be 0.4701030927835051 is the result. So this is a big number, yes. Like this, any questions it can be get the results. So next is floor division. So let's do floor division. So we are doing floor division, and we will get the answer 0. And next it is modules. So getting for modules, you want to just put the symbol of this money, this s in someone. You want to press you want to press shift, and you want to press 4, so that time the symbol of money will come. That is called module. And now run. This is a thing. It is a invalid symbol. Not that. Sorry, this is not that symbol. This symbol is the right. You want to press Shift and 7. Okay, Shift and 7. See, now let's run this. The module is equal to 135. Like this, you can get. So now this is the way. Now let's do a interesting thing. So I am closed. So I will give that var. This is a new thing to you. So var 1 equals 5. Next, var 2 equals 10. Like this, we give 2 var. So next, I want to uh, divide. I want to add 1 plus 5. If you want to add 1 plus 5, like doing print 1 plus 5, it's a very wrong method in coding. This is a website coding, so it's not showing error. If we are doing in coding software, it will be error. If you are doing in coding software, you want to first write like this: var 1, var 2, var 3, which number you want to do. So I know that you didn't understand. You will understand by sometimes. So wait. So now I want to add 1 plus 5. So how I can add 1 plus 5? So first you want to write 20 and bracket 1 plus. Want to put the plus icon, and you want to not type the 5. Just var 1. Say var 1. The answer is 6. See, the answer is came here. Yeah, like this you can do multiplication, division, and etc. in a easy method. See, 21. See, very easy method it is. So next I can divide. I can divide slash var 1. So let's run. See, it's 0.2. So after doing this much, let's this is the mathematical operation. So now let's discuss about some typing problems. So typing problems means if you want to type hi, how are you? We want to type like this one. So let's do with the example. So cat is equal to mm, double inverted comma meow. So cat is equal to meow, and now dog equal to wow, and now and like this you want to do this two methods. So I did. So now I am writing that pr print bracket slash cat, and next let's put a comma. Dog. Now let's run. See, cat dog. But this is a wrong method. So because the there's we want to get the result as meow like this words we want to get as results. So for that, just avoid these things. These many things. See, see. You didn't want to put double inverted comma. We will click print bracket cat dog, so meow bow. So this is for only today's session. We can see in part 3. So till that much time, don't forget us, subscribe,